Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add like BAM transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. In here, I add three photos. So if you wanna add like BAM transition, so you just click on the box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, at the menu you can swipe until you can see like I until you can see evac, this one, and then click on the evac. And after this, in here you can click on the like BAM, this one, so you just click on it. Okay, and after this, in here you can swipe this icon to left or right for adjust the duration. Okay, and after this, in here just click on in here I wanna apply this effect to all videos, so I click on the apply to all. And after this, in here just click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add like BAM transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.